Hello everyone and welcome to this course on an introduction to Excel 2021. My name is Deborah Ashby and I've been a Microsoft trainer for about 25 years now in various different forms. And I'm going to be your host for this course. Now, Excel 2021 is the latest standalone release from Microsoft, and it opens up many of the features and functionality currently only available in Microsoft 365 to customers who don't have or maybe don't want to sign up for the subscription service. And we're going to explore all of these new features and everything else Excel in this course. Now, this course is aimed at Excel novices, Excel beginners. So if you are brand new to the world of Excel and are looking for guidance, or maybe you have some very basic skills and would like to learn more, this course is going to give you a great foundation from which to build from. The only prerequisite required is that you have Excel 2021 downloaded to your PC. So before we begin and dive into the content, let's run through some housekeeping so you understand how this course is structured and how everything works. So this course has a total of 85 lessons, and those 85 lessons are split across 17 logical sections. And all of the lessons are bite-sized, so they're between 5 to 15 minutes in length. Each lesson contains a video where I'll demonstrate to you a discipline in Excel using some course files. And those course files are available to download from the course files folder so that you can follow along with what I'm doing. And throughout this course, you'll get a chance to practice what you've learnt with end of section exercises and also quizzes. So the first thing to do here is to download those course files and make sure that you have them somewhere easily accessible. Grab yourselves a drink and let's dive straight in. Once again, my name is Deb and I am thrilled to be your host for this course.